Yo, what's up? What's up?
Yo,
What up? What up? Bro, my YouTube was acting up for like 5 minutes. I was trying to start the stream up like at 6:25 and it couldn't start up. I'm like, yo, what's happening? I had to restart the whole entire thing, bro. Whatever. It's all good.
never.
Chop my croissant.
What up, bro?
You almost made me chop my croissant.
What? What? How come you have an echo?
Take a look. Bro, I know y'all hear that, right?
Is it your room? Your room's too big?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, my
Nah.
bad. My bad, Forex trader. Your room's too big.
Whoops. Yeah, bro. I told y'all, bro. Hold on. I'm gonna try to fix the echo.
What up, guys? Good morning. Good morning.
Anyways,
All right.
is it still there?
So today, so I haven't checked the charts since yesterday during New York session. The Asian session is pretty dead, so I didn't really trade it. Nothing much happened there, anyways, right? So, if looking at GJ right now, guys, remember that we did close bearish yesterday. The weekly still technically bullish, right? It's kind of still hasn't closed yet. It didn't break the lows yet. It can technically still flip and just continue up bullish. But yeah, daily is at the support right here. So I think on a smaller time frame, if we're showing like, because this is a rejection level, we don't know if it's gonna reject it, but this is a very logical area where price could reject, right? So if on a smaller time frame we're showing rejections leading up to the higher time frames, then maybe we could continue up to fill the range, which is gonna be up here at this resistance, because this is your range. You know, your range is from here. Hold on. This is your range. This is your range. Pretty much, we're still stuck in this range. So obviously, once you break out this range, it'll be much easier to trade. It'll be a lot more volatile. But this is a daytime frame, right? So like this range is like what? I think this is like a 100 pip range or something, like a 450 pip range maybe. Yeah, 100 pip range. So like yeah, we could potentially tap 139, 800 to tap the top of the resistance again. So let's see. I'm looking on a small time frame right now, and I'm looking at yeah, we could tap that target today. I think I'm gonna look for buys above like maybe above these levels. Hold on. There. Yeah, cross here. Looking for traffic, right? That's how I'm marking up my charts right now. I'm looking for traffic. I'm looking left for traffic. See traffic, resistance, resistance. I'm gonna put my box across like that. And yeah. So we're still stuck in this ranger. Once price breaks above here, I'm gonna start looking for buys, and then we can push up to probably the next levels, which is gonna be right there at these levels, because that's your next resistance. Look left, traffic, rejection, support, traffic. You know, so yeah, this is a potential probably 30 pip range you can catch here on GJ today. So yeah, above 139, 140, I'll say. Take nice buys at. So we gotta wait for a candle closure above. We have this 15-minute candle has a nice wick fill. We were able to fill it, right? This 15-minute candle right here. Fill the wick, so we could potentially break this resistance off of this candle right here. But what I'm looking for specifically is just a closure above this whole entire range. That'll be safe for me. But yeah, that's my my analysis today, and that's I think that's a very beautiful analysis. As per usual, you know. Alright, let me draw this across. You guys see how simple that was? You know, honestly, bro, I feel like the best part of the live streams every morning is the beginning. That's when you get to see the markets from scratch. You guys gotta see what my thought process is. So if you guys are late to the streams, then on you. But hey, 60 viewers. Let's get it, guys. Appreciate all the support recently. YouTube been growing. Oh man, gold. Yeah, so yesterday, guys, remember we did a analysis for gold. We said how we're looking at this ranger. It's much easier to spot when you don't have this. So let me just remove this. This is gold yesterday. Actually, hold on. we took, yeah, let me break it down from Thursday's buys, because we took buys on Thursday, Friday, right, around that last week, around that time last week. So let's go back to this candle. So if you look left on gold, you had this range here from here. Let me make it a bit more clear. You had a range from there to here. This is your range, and as we were breaking back into the range, breaking above this high, breaking the highs here, closing bullish here, we knew that we had nowhere else to go but up to this target. Let me just highlight this. This is what we knew. Because look left, you have this one clear traffic candle here on gold. You have a range and you have a clear traffic candle. So this is your bread and butter. Price will push up to this target because as it's breaking back into this range, followed by a clean traffic candle. There's nothing stopping it from tapping this target, right? So that's what gold did. If you watch the clip, gold came up to fill a target. Okay, skip. Or okay, after what happened after is okay. Now the day candle closed bullish. So we all knew that, okay, we're now expecting 2030 tap 2030, right? As long as this low gets respected. As long as this low gets respected at 1975. What happened to the next candle? The next candle broke the lows. So once it broke the lows yesterday, it had nowhere else to go but back into the range. Because look left again, you're still in this range here. This is your range. You're still in this range. We're driving back into the range, and we're able to push down with this nice clean traffic candle, followed by another clean traffic candle this time. So yeah, that was gold yesterday. So now if this is a fake out being you had a lower range here, you had a breakout, and now you come back in the range. If this is a fake out, we could potentially drive back down to let's see, potentially drive down to, if this is your high of the day at 1954, if this is your high, it could maybe come down to like 1911 ish. And if that breaks, probably back down to like 1871. That's gold. Because look left. Yeah. 1971-ish. That's the next target if this level breaks here. What's it? These levels right here. If this level breaks here. So you notice this minor range here. From 1941 to 1910, you could take sales here. I'll wait for maybe price to break below 1912, take it down to 1970. Look left, you have this one clear indication showing you clean traffic, and you can take sales below there. Yeah. Man, what the heck? I was on a channel on a stream that just showed waiting. Yeah. My YouTube was acting up earlier. Let me try to delete those waiting ones. Weird. But yeah, guys, that's gold right there. That's my full breakdown on gold.
Yo, did the echo get better or no?
It's a little quiet. It was fine the first time, bro. The echo wasn't that bad.
Your mic's just quiet.
Yeah, your mic's quiet now.
Hold on. Alright. This might be a little bit better.
Yeah, be fine. Ooh, we have 98 views. Oh no, we're tripping. I read that wrong. 75 views. Oh, 98. No. All right. What up, yo? Morning. Good what up? Good morning, everyone. Man, 1000 channel. Okay, someone said chart. Cool. Look at this. What was this chart? Oh, right there. Perfect. Okay, cool. See how we rejected out this level? We didn't close above. So that's how it's so. You gotta be so patient. You gotta wait for an actual closure above. Because remember how it happened yesterday? We were gonna take those buys, right? But we didn't because it never closed above. Because price can easily reject out this level. So you gotta be patient. You gotta wait for it. Close above. Then you look for buys. So the breakdown part is done. All that part is done. Now it's just executing and managing your trade. We already know what we're looking for. We already know what's gonna do if price breaks above here. We know all that stuff. The hard part's done. Now it's just the easy part. And the easy part can sometimes be hard if you make it hard for yourself by not being patient. So, I'll be patient. Waiting for support to form above this level and take buys to plus 1,300. Yeah. Okay, that's clean. Yeah. Yeah, it's sort of like if you want like the 1 hour time frame, this would be a much cleaner fake out. You have a There should be a range here, and then there should be 2 candles here. One red candle, one bullish candle coming back up to the range, and then tap this resistance. Let's check it out actually. Yeah, this is clean. This is a fake out. My fake out down to go up, 75% chance of filling it, which it did fill the range already, and an 85% chance to continue up further to tap this resistance level. If this is a fake out. So let's see, hold on. Let me check this out. Yeah, I was great, right? This is a bearish candle, this is a range, and this is 2 candles here. You guys, when you guys know how to read candles, you guys can read it from any time frame. Too smart time frames. Yeah, here's look, see, you had a range here. Support, resistance. Candle broke below, boom, fake out. Came back in the range, fake out, right? So once it came back in the range and broke these highs, it filled the range. Now it's gonna continue further up to the next resistance, as long as it respects the previous low. Yeah, this is a very clean chart. Once this candle closes here, this candle just needs to close above these levels here. Levels. Once we close above that level and we stay above that level, we're good to go to the next target. I think price would have trouble going up around at 139,300 level. Yeah. Yeah, maybe potential chance that we could struggle there, but at that point we're probably gonna move our stops to entry and make it a risk-free trade. That's like 13% profit by then, alright? So yeah. But it'll be a risk-free trade till TP. But it's a very minor resistance. Look at the 4-hour time frame, it's clean. So you can see how every time this is a very strong resistance, right? So every time we actually rejected off this level, we came all the way back down. But once we closed above, popped up to the next target, which is that resistance every time. See, close above, pop up. Same thing right here. Rejection, rejection. Close below, pop down. It's a very strong like resistance level. Someone asking about stage 1 and stage 2. Form is what was it? Stage 1 and stage 2 market structure. Yeah, so yeah, stage 1, your stage 1 would be this is your stage 1 in this range. Because we're just rejecting off this level. No one knows if we're gonna reject yet. This is your rejection. But now that you have a confirmation of your rejection, once we break above this, we're breaking structure to go up to the next target. That's your stage 2. Where to take buys at. I mean, you could take buys down here. It's just buys above here would be much stronger. Buys below here would have been clean as well. Look left. You could have caught this move maybe. Slow move there. Tap this resistance level. 2 candles.
Cannon's too dangerous. I'm not going there.
Yeah, this alley kind of right here is very dangerous right now. Not dangerous, but it has no bond wick here, so you can easily flip back bearish here if it wants
like
to.
On the 30, it's a wick on it.
Mhm.
Yeah.
But the previous 30-minute one before has no wick, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's the top. That's the low of the hour.
Yeah. Probably just wait till 7, really.
Yeah, we have 10 minutes left.
Yeah.
Be patient with it.
Wait a little 10 minutes.
If you guys enjoyed the stream so far, leave a like. 86 people watching right now. Let's run it up, guys. I wonder where these people come from, you know? I always wonder.
Best FOREX streams in NY. I go
Cap. No cap. Best Forex streams in the NY.
Best stream in Belmont. Looking ass. Yo, that video I sent you, that shit had me so dead, bruh. I made just ran up to his shit.
What's up?
That video I sent you on Instagram.
Oh, Toronto.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
Y'all reckless, bro. I'm scared to go down, bro. This man just ran up in his shit, bro.
He's like, you sold all my maple syrup, boy.
Sell my shit on my block, homie. No, but nah, bro. That shit is scary though. Man, just ran up to his shit, bro.
If you want to take buys, you want to see next hour candle create bottom wick and it starts to push above. I mean, hopefully it has a bottom wick, but I'm just hoping for a candle to just close above. Like, I'm hoping for something like this. This would be my ideal move. Let's say what was this? Maybe have this. I want like maybe candle close above like this. So this candle right here, I want it close above. And then I want the next candle to push up. Obviously. Very low wick. And push up. The top TP. So this is what I'm expecting. Or it could just be one candle here. Like this, doesn't matter, but yeah. Well, I'm expecting something like this. I'm probably gonna enter off the opening of the next candle anyways, if it closes above. So I'm not gonna wait for a bottom wick or form. I'm just gonna enter off right off the rip. Right when it opens up. And then tap this resistance level. Because you have, look left, you have, this is what you're looking at. This is your area of focus right here. You block all this out, guys. Make it simple for yourself.
So you said 139,800 today?
Hold on. I said 139, 400.
Oh, 4. I said 8. I'm like, wait, 8 is too wide now, man.
Hold on, I think I have something around there. Hold on, let me check. Yeah, this is what I'm looking for, guys. This move right here. Clean traffic. Clean traffic. Clean traffic. Clean traffic. Yeah, 800. I think 800 for that to happen today. We're gonna need a break. We're gonna need a break.
Probably gonna happen like
139, 400. Tomorrow's a Friday, right? Like I'm seeing like 800 could happen because this is the top of the resistance level. Like that's a very high chance of happening today. But it might be like I'm not really gonna take any buys above. I don't know if I'm taking buys above 139, 400. It might be done after this.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, high chances look left. But once you break above here, yeah, we can probably tap that target from the Asian session on Monday or
like,
Tuesday.
If it closes, if it's more momentum, breaking past like 460, then it's just going straight there.
Yeah, the only thing you gotta worry about once you break above 450, 460,
yeah,
is this like this minor resistance to the left there, this very minor one, like right there. But once you break there, like, yeah, it should be good to go.
It's just like that 139,485 to 139,655 range right there. That's the only thing like I'm worried about if I'm going to 800.
Yeah.
That's the only thing I'm looking at, because I was looking at it earlier this morning when I woke up. I'm like, all right, so it does have a chance because it flipped back bullish, right? But then again, this is that one scary range right there, and then yeah. But if it just shoot through, then we lit, baby.
30 minutes about close bullish here. Breaking the highs here.
Because once it gets in that range, like every time, it usually drops.
Well, I'll be back in like 2 seconds.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get some water before we start this journey today.
We're about to get crazy. What's up, Ifty? What's up, Adi? What's up, Sam, Sean, Sharif, Khalid? What's up, y'all? What's up?
Morning, team.
Morning.
You're
lit, bro. Any trolls coming in the stream, we're just gonna disrespect it. That's straight up. Straight up. What's up?
Can you guys hear me with this mic?
Yeah, I can hear you, but it's like kind of low.
Yeah, it's the beats. I'm just trying to know.
Ah, gotcha. Yo, that I got messed up in FOMC yesterday, bro. I got caught slipping, bro.
Yo, you stayed on?
No, FOMC. It was like later on in the afternoon.
Oh, okay, the minutes, yeah.
Yeah, bro. I got fucked.
Oh, man.
Yo, I got fucked back over, bro. I was gonna cry. I'm like, no, I'm so stupid, bro. I should have stopped. But
What happened, bro?
Gold is like crack, bro. I'm sorry. I went in for a buy, like before it happened, and I forgot to put my stop at profit, and it just hit my original stop. I'm like, damn.
Damn.
So whatever though.
Gold moves so quick though.
Hell, bro, that shit was light speed, bro. Like holy shit, that shit was light speed. But yeah, I know. I'm never doing that again. I'm never trading.
Yeah, with gold, every time I enter it, I literally just move my stop to break even, like within like 5 minutes or like whenever it goes in profit.
Yeah, bro.
Like, I don't care how much is in profit, because with gold, like if it doesn't just like run, if it doesn't just like go ham, then like I don't want to be in it, you know?
Because it was going ham for buys before it, right? But as soon as it hit 2, that bitch just dropped. I'm like, fuck. And I was at work. I'm like, damn. I looked at it. I'm like, damn. I just took the massive L. It's whatever though.
Yeah, the spreads are back to normal, but it's like what?
Bro, that's just crack.
Sam said it's crazy volatile.
Hell yeah, that shit's crack, bro. Yeah, like right now, look at gold, bro. That bitch is pushing. Damn. Oh my. No FOMO. We're at GJ day, baby. We on GJ. We on GJ. But nah, bro. I want to get out this room, bro. Like,
Alright, I'm back.
I never traded rule. I never traded news. No minute.
Oh, we got news today. Do we? I didn't even check today, bro.
Unemployment claim? Oh shit. Hello.
Yeah, orange folders. Yeah, I just got worried about these maybe, but see, they're expecting, I think, bad news there, bad numbers. Oh no, it's expecting good numbers. Yes, it's expecting good numbers today. Let's see what happens here. 1 minute till it's kind of closes, guys. Be patient. 1 minute. We need to close above 139, 135.
Zoom.
Zoom.
You missed the entry. Zoom. Fine. Shit.
1 minute left, guys.
Yo, the music cut off?
Nah. What happened? What music?
On the music.
What music?
No, I'm saying your background music.
What about it?
It's off?
No, it's on. Oh, you guys can't hear it? Hold on. Oh, when I click recording, you guys can't hear the background music. Oh, let me try again.
I can.
You can?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. How about now?
Yeah.
It's probably just quiet.
I don't know why I can't hear it. I never hear the music.
Cause you have
I can't hear it now, but it's all good.
Get your headphone game up, little boy. Take a laugh.
Oh.
You got one of these. You a little boy. I kiss your forehead. Take a laugh.
Okay. Your music is racist, bro.
Take a laugh. I'm dead. I only like Vietnamese people. I'm sorry.
Don't fuck with no other ethnicities.
Yeah, they don't like Koreans. I'm sorry. Whoops.
K-pop having ass.
Take a laugh.
Okay.
Y'all already got K-pop, bro. What more do you
K-pop.
guys want?
Jesus, bro. Who listens to K-pop here, bro?
Sam? Oh, Make a laugh, boy.
100%. 100%. He's Korean.
Like
100%.
it's Mando for me.
Bruh,
As soon as I wake up, like it's just blasting all throughout my house. You know?
Bruh, them Korean fans are scary, bruh. K-pop fans are scary.
Yeah, they have a big fan base, bro.
Bruh, like, yo.
Yeah, bro.
One of them
all like the weird chicks at my school used to listen to K-pop.
Hell no. Bruh, it used to be like this group, oh my gosh, scared the shit out of me, bruh. Yo, so, oh my god, it's just scary.
Bouncing off the 150 level. Yeah. Like I said, we don't want to get stuck into that trouble there, right? So we're gonna wait for a closure above. Until we close above here, there's no buys for me. Anything below here, see how we close below? No buys. We need a closure above this level, above it. Then I'll take buys. But until then, no buys. No buys, guys. No buys. Just yet. Gotta be patient with this. This is what I'm looking for right here. This exact move on GJ. Anything over here. Close above. Boom. Clean, 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 clean.
4 hour. Bullish.
Any plan for sells? Yeah, sells would be probably below 138, 768. Below this target. Below this level would probably be sells for me. And then you can take it down to like these levels, 138, 561. You know, that'll be your sells from like below here until potentially down here.
Baby, flipping back bullish, baby.
So next 15 minutes comes in 12 minutes here. 100 viewers, let's get it.
Damn.
What if straight shoots above, then we miss the trade?
No.
Whoa. Well, what do you mean? Like within the 15-minute candle? Then yeah, if it's just shoot straight above to like 139, 439, I'll miss the trade, and I'll be fine with missing the trade. I'm not gonna risk something because I feel like I'm gonna miss the trade. That's FOMO. Alright, so I'll be more happy if I didn't take the trade and I shot above than if I were to enter once it closed above. If that makes sense. Like I wouldn't be happy if I took a buy here because it just shot above, and I didn't take it because it closed. You know, I'll be more happy not taking it than taking it, even if it was in profit. Your idol jumped in too early. Yikes. Yikes. You said your idol jumped in too early. I don't know. I'm not really watching or anything. Hey man, I don't know who that is, honestly, bro. I heard he's a great guy though. Yeah. All my idols rivals. You know that song by Killy? Sam? It goes like, the song is Smokey Margella. It goes like this. That's what I'm talking about? That's not what I'm talking about.
All my idols rivals made these waves like tidal.
Oh, whoa.
Copyright infringement.
Yeah, song's fire. How old are you? I have nothing against Roger. I like him. He's been proven to be a good trader. You kids with your games and gossip. No one is talking about anyone here, man. Man. I'm just trying to catch buys above 139, 135, guys. That's all I'm waiting for here, and the chat is going off. Hey, chat can say whatever they want to say, but like I said, every stream, respects to all streamers. Respects to all my Twitch streamers.
Yo, what's good, guys?
Yo, what up, bro?
What?
What's up? What's up?
Twitch
Currently
stream
in
is
GU
regular.
box right now. I just enter.
Yo, are you in GU buys? I think someone else was in GU buys
Yeah.
earlier.
Hella people in GU.
Yeah, close above, yeah. Yeah.
Like
This
2K.
kind of has no top wick, so this kind of could still flip here. Still flip bullish here. Let's
Bruh,
see.
I'm looking at the daily and 4-hour GJ, bro. Yo.
But once it breaks the lows, then I think she can hop out the trade down. Old enough to realize the difference between a
Yeah,
mentor who earns only from
my
courses
stops
and
is
a man who
low
earns
there.
from his
It's
trades.
right there.
What's up?
I said my stops is right there too. So if it does, I'll just get stopped out.
Hey, you guys better chill in the chat before I put on to man, I wish this was Twitch. Twitch is a sub mode, so only if you subscribe to it, you could talk. But subscribing on Twitch is like a fee. It's like an $8 fee or something. Subscribe on Twitch. It's weird. Just follow and then subscribe. If it's a Twitch, I'll turn to subscribe only mode. Cause you guys are going off this morning. What's happening? If you know very heavy, yeah. Like, the only person I'm competing with, guys, is this guy over here on Twitch. This is my competition over here, Nick Merckx. This is the only streamer I look up to, ever.
Whoa.
Only streamer I look up to. And Tim the top, these guys.
Mil?
These guys.
Oh, 4.3 mil. I'm tripping.
100k live viewers. Like, these are the only streamers I look up to. I don't look up to any other streamers ever. So, like, I'll move over to Twitch, but Twitch is just like, it's not for Forex, bro. I can't. ¿Qué pasa? Yeah, Nick Merckx, bro. That's all I look up to. But yeah, you guys better chill over there, eh? Let's talk about you. Yeah, I know, bro, but I'm just saying, you know, it's all love here. You play Fortnite? Nah, man, that game is trash. Hop on Warzone, bro. That game's a lot funner. I'm telling you, Fortnite is too hard too, yo. Fortnite's way too hard. Way too hard nowadays. So you see, guys, the same mistake we avoided yesterday, we maybe would have avoided right here. Maybe if it breaks the lows here, we would have avoided it, right? Looks like it's gonna push up, broke above these highs. Nope, didn't break above these highs, right? So we didn't enter. I think yesterday we would have saved like a nice 9 pips yesterday in the trade. Let's take the same thing. Where was that? Let me find it. It was at New York session on the 18th, on the 19th. So that's about right here. On these levels. Somewhere around. Oh, it was. What did we catch yesterday, yo? Sell or buy? I forgot.
Sell.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Oh, we caught the sells.
18 pips, so.
I forgot where it was, but it was something like.
It was right there. Hold on.
No, it was. I'm trying to find like what. We avoided something though. Are you sure it was sells? I sure it was buys.
It was 18 pips sell, bro.
Oh shit, I'm tripping. Oh yeah, it was. It was.
Right here. It was right here.
Yeah. Oh yeah, this candle right here. Yeah, this candle closed bearish, and then we thought that this bullish candle was gonna close bearish as well. And after, it's breaking the lows, but then it closed back bullish. Then we wait for a sell stop below, and clean come down. Yeah, it was a sell. You're right. During a pod, people have to create drama and make you run your mouth. Just ignore. Yeah, facts, bro. That's the biggest that's the thing. That's the most relatable thing I've seen. I read it today. Tamsack hots. Yeah. You think if the GU arrow candle flips, it will fly? The GU candle, if it flips, it will fly. Let me check. Bro, why can't I type GPUSD? Okay, there you go. Yeah, it just flipped. It just flipped. So right now it's rejecting. See how this candle has no top wick here? Meaning that when it opened, it just came straight down to make a lower wick. So it broke above this level. So once this candle flips bullish, very high chance we turn you up here to the next resistance right there. You can start looking for buys at. Right, you gotta wait for it to flip. Yeah, I don't really look at this as much,
Yeah.
so
Just wait.
that's just my best input. Wait for the flip.
Yeah, wait for a flip. Maybe like a candle closure, bro, just to be safer, rather than.
No, I think it closed above already.
Oh.
Yeah, it closed above this level right here. Well, I'm looking at a closure above here, which it did. It closed above there, so now it just needs to flip. It's gonna close above, a nice wick full candle to push up to this target.
Why do people get offended when I send them the YouTube link when they ask me how do I trade?
Because, bro, they're scared. They're like, damn, my high rise guy got nothing on this guy.
Bro, like, really, I told this dude like, hey, bro, put me on, teach me sauce. I'm like, this guy right here teach me on the sauce. Just like watch a few his live streams. And he's like, bro, it's 3 hours long. I'm like, yo,
bro,
put me
like
on the
you shouldn't be
video.
trading.
I'm like,
You straight up
yeah,
shouldn't be trading after. If you're saying it's 3 hours long, you shouldn't be trading in the
yeah,
first place.
look, he be on Zoom calls and London and shit for 4 hours and be catching like 20 pips. Like what? 4 hours, 20 pips.
Wait, who streams? Oh, IMO.
Zoom, yeah, IMO Zoom shit.
Oh.
Come on, dog. You don't wanna.
Yeah, you know if you're IMO, you can't sell your things. Let's say you sell courses and shit. If you join IMO, you can't sell those things, or else you get kicked out of IMO. It's like an NBA contract. Are you really self-made? After, like all your you pretty much have to give your money to IMO, bro. But you don't have to give your money to IMO, but you just can't sell your shit.
That shit sucks.
It sucks, yeah, it sucks.
Lame ass shit, boy. Imagine you working hard as hell on a course, and you go to IML for like an extra source of income, and then boom, you can't sell one of your main incomes. Shit,
It's like a rule. I've seen it before. Someone sent it to me.
Yeah, I seen it in the
Yeah.
code of conduct thing.
Yeah, that thing.
Yeah, I read through like some of it. I'm like, yo, y'all getting finessed around here. So glad that we dipped out that bitch. one time only. There you go.
Yeah, here guys. 30-minute count didn't break the lows. 15 didn't break the lows here in GJ. So, what? Oh man, we closing a minute here. We need to close above here. Answer buys.
Yes, sir.
I think your stops would be like 10 pips, not bad. So we have a minute left. Oh, we could close above here. We close above here. I'm looking for buys here, guys, because we're gonna close above, and stops won't be like the current kind of low, right? So it's gonna be like 11 pips around there. So let's see. Let's see how we do, baby.
And then another question I get a lot is like, when I'd be like risk-free trade, they'd be like, how do you make it trade risk-free? I'm like, what? Bruh, Google. I literally tell them, Google YouTube. Whenever someone asks me something, Google YouTube. Literally, I bet you one of those two is gonna have the source for you.
Going to get you. Yeah, YouTube has a lot of videos, bro. Break evens, make it risk free, close half. The most common question I get is close half, which is kind of confusing. It is kind of confusing. I'm not gonna lie, close half is a lot more.
I never understood it until like
you
told me about it that one day. I'm like, close what?
Yeah, you can close half in two ways. You can open two positions, close one half, close one. But easier way, just open one position, close one half. It's much easier.
Yeah.
Going to get you to trade GU before the year end. I traded GU before, bro, already. I just dropped them.
Too slow.
No, not too slow. It's too much conflict right now with like GU and the dollar, because the New York's open and the pound's open right now. So New York and London's open right now. That's what I mean. So two pairs are open and it's within one pair. Like,
two big pairs.
Yeah, and you gotta focus on two currencies, right? But if you're trading GJ, you only gotta focus on one, because the yen is closed right now. It's only the pound that's open. What IMO?
Instant market loss. Market loss. Instant money loss.
I'll let the people explain it for you, but yeah.
Multi-level marketing company that
It's just a group. It's just
MLM.
I use trading. I started to do like dropshipper or something now too. Like do something else. Like they're branching off to like dropshipping or something. It's not just Forex anymore.
I think they're doing like ads.
I don't know, but they're doing something else too.
I heard they're doing like products, like health products and shit. I think that's what it was.
Honestly, bro, if you can see you make it, Hey, bro, but yo, the thing about IMO, I give respect to the IMO people who grind for it though, cause like once you make it, bro, there's people that make, they ain't gotta do shit anymore. For
All they
and,
gotta
well
do is
until the
just-
company doesn't shut down, but
Yeah.
it's probably gonna
All
shut
they
down.
gotta do is just.
The company
tell
will, the
people
company
to
will shut
stream.
down. 100%, it will shut down eventually. But
Yeah.
just gotta figure out when.
All they gotta do is just hop on a Zoom call and tell people to scream at the end of it. You know?
Yeah, that's why Forex has such a bad name for itself because everyone's like scam, scam, scam because it's because IMO. That's all that is. But if you're just trading, you know,
'Cause-
you're fine. If you're just trading, like has nothing to do with scamming or IMO. Like it has nothing at all.
'cause, bruh,
Oh my God, we are breaking the highs here, guys. I'm waiting for the next. I'm waiting for this candle closer. This 30-minute candle close.
Cause, bruh, I went on a whole argument with someone. I'm like, bruh, Forex is super legit. It's just multi-level marketing. That makes
Actually,
it-
yo, we didn't break the lows yet, and right now we're actually.
Look at the daily. Look at daily.
What's
too,
it
bruh.
doing? Breaking going on bullish? Yeah, should be going on bullish.
Flip back.
Yeah,
And look
so-
how clean it is to going up.
The 30-minute made a low for like a good 30 minutes, 17 minutes. Now it's flipping back bullish. High chance once it breaks above here, gone.
I am
High chance.
19 pips in profit, baby.
So I think I'm gonna attempt 2 entries here. I'm gonna enter a buy once we break above here. Stall loss there. Be here. We have 12 minutes to the 30-minute close. The 15-minute close bearish, but we broke the highs of that candle. Let's see here. Look left above here, no traffic. So until we break above there, let's see. I graduated with someone that's a churn 500 now. You graduated with Bryce Thompson. He's churning, I think he's churning 750 now or some shit. Hey, bro.
Shit, cool.
I mean, hey. So, 500K a month? Yo.
Shit. Are you
Hey.
just chilling?
But hey, just think about it. You can make more in that trading long term. I'm not saying everyone can do that, but like it's possible. And I know people that have done it. I know like one person that do it. Like they make X amount daily, right? Like it's not trading. Like the only reason why people switch from trading to Forex because they think. I mean, IMO trading to IMO is because they think that IMO will make you more money. Because they trade as traders. They give up way too quick, and like if you're trading long term, man, I'm telling you the results will, like, you can pop off. Like you might not imagine you making 500K in a day, this in a day. You might just imagine you making 2K in a day, 5K in a day, 10K in a day, whatever. You might not imagine those big numbers. That's because you might not have the confidence in yourself yet, in trading to visualize those numbers yet. But I'm telling you, bro, once work at it for years. It takes years though. It's not gonna take you a year, 2 years, 3 years. It'll take you a couple years, and you will eventually pop off like that. So, yeah, bro, you can make a shit ton more trading. I'm telling you,
'Cause, bruh,
more than a Chairman 750. You could. It's possible.
you can make that 750 in a day.
You could make that
Without
750 in a
talking to
day.
no one, without hopping on those.
Yeah, like
calls,
trading long term will pay off more than IMO. Promise you. Promise you.
Marathon.
Save you more time, and it'll just pay off a lot more. Promise you.
You don't gotta waste money on flights to these.
As much as 750K looks in a month, I promise you trading will 100% be much worth it.
Long term.
Yeah.
Long term, bro. I would think short term too much, but
They already made change of the name concept. Yeah, they did it like 3 times already. Like 3 times I think. From what was that before IMO, and now it's like I am Academy or something.
yeah.
Did they change it again? I don't know.
I don't care.
This is me training from recruiting. He makes money from recruiting. 100%. Training 500, you don't gotta trade. Well, I wouldn't. If I were trading, if I love trading, yeah. But if you're trading 500, then I mean, your mindset's probably thinking, okay, I make 500K a month. Why would I need to trade? So there's no point in you trading. I'm pretty sure it's just trading. Yeah, they're making 6 figures a month. Yeah, make them monthly. But hey,
What do you
I promise you, bro. You can make a lot more trading. You just can't visualize it yet, but I'm telling you, stick with it. And you know, like probably what's the percentage I quit in trading? Like 95% quit.
95.
Yeah, like
So
it's true, bro. It's true.
just know, bro. You could be at 5.
A lot of you guys on the stream are gonna quit one day. A lot of you guys watching are gonna quit one day. A lot of you guys are not gonna quit.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna. I don't know who. That's all. That's for yourself to decide. But if you stick with trading, you just stick with it.
All these.
And you know how to fix up. You know. 40 years will be like one day.
40 years. Yeah.
Like.
All you guys do is just fix your mistakes early on, and then you'll get to that point where you make 6 figures a day.
Like right now, I'm popping 8.0 lots, but I'm not even thinking about 100 lots yet. Like that's like, you know, you can't think that far ahead. Like right now, obviously, when I tell you guys, you can make X amount, like 750K in a day. Like I'm obviously not thinking right now, like, oh, okay, I'm gonna make that right now, because that's not possible with my lot sizes at all, right? But I know long term, I will get there eventually. I just don't know. I can't put a date on it though. No, you can't put a date on those things. It will happen eventually, but you don't know when. Just imagine, bro. 2 years later, Donvo Instagram, Control FX, 1.5 million followers. Donvo popping 100 lots here.
Jimbo popping 100 lots. Oh man. Just, bruh. Even if I'm popping 10 lots, that shit gonna be worth it, man. I can already see it happen.
I'm gonna tell Instagram make a month. Yeah, I'm gonna tell you make 500K on gold this week.
Oh,
Catching the
shit.
same move that we broke down. The same exact move.
Damn.
Caught the sells. Pretty much 500K in one day. Like, it's possible. I'm telling you.
Wait, it was a buy, right? No,
it was
I
a
think
sell.
It was a buy. Oh.
Or yeah, something like that. But yeah, maybe the buy that we caught on Thursday, last Thursday or some shit. That
Yeah.
something like that.
I think I saw the screenshot.
How long did you become profitable? It took me 1 day. It takes you 1 day to become profitable. You can make
Yeah, it was
money.
a gold buy.
You can make money off of one trade, but to be
It was a gold
consistently
buy.
profitable, that's a different story. That'll take you months and maybe years. And
was on
consistency
Tuesday.
depends on you. You can be consistent, like consistent with whatever you find consistent with. That's on you. You can define it consistent as 1 month. You can define it as 1 year. You can define it as a couple years, couple trades. You know, that's up to you. I think it's funny how they say you can't learn from YouTube, mentor, internet. I mean, yo, honestly, this is why though, because people think a mentor is supposed to give them the gains off the rip. Well, that's not a mentor's job. A mentor's job is to guide you on the right path, and it's your job to fix. Like, if I use this thing all the time, but if you have a girlfriend and your friend says she's ugly, and you love her, are you gonna leave her? You're not gonna leave your girlfriend. You love her, right? So, same thing goes trading. If you're over trading, and your mentor tells you not to overtrade, you might not listen because you're stubborn. You're still gonna overtrade. Same thing as having an ugly girlfriend, right? You're still gonna love her. You don't care what your friend says, because that's just your friend's opinion. It's not you. So, yeah. That's why I think like people like, oh yeah, this that like. Because here's what happens. Mentor A, a mentee, right, a student goes to a mentor, pays for his shit. That mentor provides his shit, whatever, and mentee doesn't see results. Like, he doesn't see any results, right? So what he does is he goes to a different mentor, and then because you know why he goes to a different mentor? Because he doesn't know how to adjust. He knows what the mentor does. He knows that the mentor is profitable, but the student doesn't know how to adjust to what the mentor is saying because he's so stubborn, over leveraging, over trading, you know. Because I've been seeing people in my VIP group over trading for months, like since they joined the group, like back in last August. Like, they're still over trading to this day. And every day I repeat, do not overtrade, do not over leverage. So is that really the mentor's fault, or is that the student's fault? That's the student's fault. Control FX sounds high as fuck. Hey, bro. But yeah, like, is it the student or is it the mentor? It's this. I'm not blaming the student, but Like the student has to adjust. Because if you don't adjust, no matter what mentor you go to, it's never gonna work out. And sometimes you don't even need a mentor. You can do learn things by yourself. But people don't want to trust themselves. You know why? Because they make the same mistakes themselves too. They don't want to overlet. People they hear it all the time. They don't want to they want to overtrade. They want to over leverage, and they never adapt those things. So then they're like, oh, fuck, it's not working. I need to find a mentor. And they find a mentor and they do the exact same thing because they don't know how to adjust. So it's, at the end of the day, it's on you. There's no one else to blame. It's on you. No one's telling you to press the buy or sell button. No one's telling you to enter the big loss. No one's telling you to.
You can't blame no one because who's clicking that red or blue button? You are the person.
Yeah.
Know? And like the thing is, I see a lot is like, bruh, when I ask people why they want to trade, right? You know what the first thing they say? Money, cars, clothes, jewelry.
If you're trading, if someone asks, if I were to ask you guys, why do you want to trade? And your answer is for the money. It's not gonna work out. It could work out, but it'll take you a lot of blown accounts for it to work out. Because then off the rip you have a chasing mentality. I need to make money. I need to make money. I need to make money. You have to trade. You have to trade for your passion. If your passion is forex, then you're good. But if you're trading just for the money, man, you're just gonna be chasing money all day long in the markets. You have $500 account, right? You have $500 account. You blew it up last week. So you over leveraging, over trading. Now what's in your mindset is you need to chase the money back. You need to chase that money back. You blow up. You blow up another $500 account, right? You blow it again. Cause you're now chasing that $500. Now you have two blown accounts or $1,000. Now you make another account. You blow it again, chasing that $1,000. This is gonna be a chase. Or what can happen is you make a new account. You take one trade. Oh, no, after multiple blown accounts, you open up a new account. You take one trade. Like, oh, okay, maybe I'm on the right track now. I'm not over leveraging. I'm not over trading. Next thing you know, next week you fall into the same cycle again. You over trade, over leverage again, and then you blow that account. Now you're like, fuck, this is not for me. And now you quit trading. So it's just like a cycle over and over again.
Basically, like, I think like just like I told you in the live stream chat yesterday. I think like.
Oh, hold on, we might close above here in a minute. Keep talking.
Yeah, it's basically like a mental thing, bro. It's basically like when you get sick and tired of your own shit, that's when like life gets better for you. That's what like some of my millionaire friends told me, bro. I'm not gonna say who they are, but it's close. But yeah, that's one of the advice I remember they told me. It was like, once you get sick and tired of your own shit, life gets better.
Yeah,
because that's when you're gonna find like you bettering yourself for real, instead of saying it. And then like another thing that was said was like, the more you talk about something, the less is gonna happen. So if you're gonna say, oh, I'm gonna be, blah blah blah, I'm gonna have this X amount in my trading account, or I'm gonna catch this amount. No, it's not gonna happen. You know why? Keep talking about it. You gotta make it happen. Instead of talking about it, make it happen. Like good things take time, bro. Like the freaking thing in Rome. How much years did that take? Hella years. Like good things take time, bro. And then like people keep rushing things for what, bro? Who's rushing you? Who got a gun to your head? Like, bruh, it's like, just chill. Training is like a marathon, bro. Y'all, that sprinting thing won't work out. Just think of like your account as like a car, right? You gonna keep trying to drive fast and crash, or you gonna take it slow and get to your destination? All I gotta say.
Yeah.
All I gotta say.
Hey, this kind of right here, failed to close above, but there's still no buys here, guys. Still no buys. Alright. Next count's in 15 minutes here, so we need to close above, right? But yeah, yeah, like what Jimmy said, yo, it takes time. Like it's up to you to change, right? Cause like I probably blew like 20 plus accounts in my trading career before I started becoming consistent. 20 accounts, all live 20 accounts, right?
Maybe
20 plus
more.
accounts, maybe probably more, 100% more. But it wasn't a mentor that told me to stop overtraining, stop leveraging for me to stop. It was just me getting sick of my shit. So you can learn from a mentor, or you can learn from yourself. A majority of times, your mentor will tell you to stop, you don't stop, and then you get sick of it and you'll stop yourself, and you'll listen to the mentor later on. So, but hey, hope you guys understand. Not to over leverage, not to overtrade after today. If you're stuck in a cycle, because hey, people can say yeah today, and they say yeah Don, you're right Don, yeah, you don't overtrade, don't over leverage. I'm booming today. You know, I took a trade today, Don. Look, I used proper lot sizes. My account went up by 3%. I'm sticking to 1-2 trades per day. Boom. Next day, you fall into the same trap again. And now you're quiet. You know. How much is that in dollar terms? Like 20k plus? Probably like 10k or something like that. 10, 20k. Around there.
Damn.
Yeah.
Sorry, though. Made that back in 1 Bitcoin.
Or wait, 1 BTC USD.
BTC USD.
By the way, Bitcoin. What's the Bitcoin at? I haven't checked Bitcoin in a minute.
Right?
Is that 12k again? Yeah. I'm looking at Bitcoin, and like very high chance once we break above these levels here, we're going up to like 16. Very high chance. Well, 13,600 and 16. Once we break above these levels here. So if you're like if you have Bitcoin, your Coinbase or something, just hold it, bro. Yeah, even if
you got in at like the 7,000s, 8,000s when it was at that area a few months ago, that shit is hold it. But bro, if you got in at
well, I'm talking about Coinbase. But trading, I don't know. Yeah, trading, I don't know. You can do whatever you guys want with that. But I'm talking about like if you have like Bitcoin, like investing in Bitcoin. Wanted to take a buy so bad, but stayed out and disciplined. On Bitcoin or GJ? GU and G playing around today. It's only playing around if you let it play around, you know. Right now, it's just, you know, it's not ready yet. Oh yeah, NY's will open here in the 30 minutes here. So if there's no move in this last 30-minute candle here, there'll be potentially a move at the 8 a.m. open. That'll be a bonus. If we close above at 8 a.m., that'll be a bonus for us to go up. Huge bonus. 130 views.
Got in on Bitcoin after that drop in March, bro. You are eating right now. Like no cap. Cause that 4,500 or 4,700, right?
Mhm.
Bro, whoever bought right there is eating like crazy right now. Eating and holding. That's damn, 6 bands. 6 bands return. Nah, not 6, 8.
No close above, no buys above, right? I don't care if I missed the move, guys. Right? You gotta think like that. Just as long as if you don't care if you missed the move as it doesn't close above and just pushes up here, that's how you know you're disciplined. That's how you know you don't have FOMO. Because if you're entering and you're not comfortable with it, or it doesn't follow your plan, your rule, then it's a bad trade, right? Because you're breaking your boundaries just to take a trade because you have FOMO. What's my 2-2 losses on GGT? You made me rethink my entry, not enter. Hey, bro. Hey, I hope to. Man, I wonder when we'll know, like, everyone stop mentioning this other guy in my streams, you know? Hey, 1K. Honestly, one day maybe we get like, you know, 10K live viewers, you know, popping off. Hey. Hey, then people mention me in his streams. Who knows? Cause I know one day eventually.
So I'll start off when we start.
Him as a jokester. Like, he jokes a lot, right? He just likes to troll and joke around a lot. I know one day he's gonna try to, you know, maybe say something. Everyone's on his side just turn on me and be like, yeah, this is that. I mean, I'm ready for it, but yeah, all love to Roger though. He's a great guy.
This man controller is ass. Like,
watch, one day something happened. I know. I know something happened.
Had this 50 pips the same stream. Garbaggio. Like, alright.
Oh, breaking above here, guys. Oh, we broke above the 1 hour high. I'm gonna attempt to buy here, guys. Yeah, breaking the 1 hour high to attempt to buy here. TP up here. Remember earlier I said I'd wait for a break of the high hourly candle. Broke the highs. Stops are 13 pips here.
Damn. Your boy is up.
Bro, I I had my buy stop from earlier. Just got fucking activated. From when I had a buy stop, I didn't have to enter. Forgot about it.
Candle?
Above the 1 hour candle. Remember I said earlier?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was what I'm looking for. Break above. So that's at 13 pips though. Yeah, because earlier I said I was gonna enter a buy here with a smart lot if it breaks above this 1 hour high, and if you close above, I would have entered with my original lot size. But now we're breaking the highs. This is part of my attempt. I'm not gonna enter if it closes above. I'm just gonna leave this one entry here. So. Cause like we spent 30 minutes. Cause like if you guys watch the streams back in March or back in May, you guys probably heard me say this a lot. But if the first half of the hourly candle is just ranging, you know, not moving, creating a lower wick, and we flip bullish within the second, like usually the second half of the hourly candle or the second half of any candle, that's the candle that moves the most, right? So,
Look at how the 15 respected the last 15.
yeah, that too.
Yeah, bounced off.
Oh, actually, it broke
Barely
on
broke
it
the
before.
high.
Oh, 30-minute perspective, yeah. 15 broke. Yeah, because like I said yesterday, the 15 breaks the lows and it continues up, man. We're gone. That's another indication. But yeah, guys, like usually the second half of like any candle is because like, the first half is obviously the pullback, the wick, the lower wick, right? Think of it as in that term. When a candle opens up, what does it do first? It makes a lower wick. So if you're spending the first half of the hourly candle making a lower wick, in the second half we push up, what do you think's gonna happen? We're gonna push up the whole entire candle. So yeah.
Bruh.
I think I'm moving my stops though up to like this low right here, current candle low.
My God.
My stops are now only 9 pips here on this trade instead of 13 pips. So I just saved myself 4 pips. That's a win. Now it's just about the win-win.
Now it's rocket ship time. Now he waits. It's in the control station.
Oh my god, I keep forgetting, bro. Thing.
Bruh. Yippee. Zip.
You forgot to send a signal.
Yeah.
Bruh, why do we keep forgetting, bruh?
Bro, I'm just YouTube has just been
Everything's so
like I'm just putting my heart and soul out, you know. I'm just talking too much. I'm forgetting. 139.063. Yeah, I put it wrong. I know, guys. Shit. Every time I put a wrong number, they're like, "Yay, Don, you put a wrong number. You put 135 instead."
fucking idiot. I go lie.
And they go ham like, "Yo, chill, bro. It's so obvious." Like one time I was like, "Goals at 1600." Like, I put 1300 by accident. I'm like, "Buy it now at 1300." They're like, "1300?" I'm like, "Bro, it's 1600. Just put a little error there. Shit, calm down." Like that's like 3,000 pips away. Come on.
Put out the wrong entry, you bad trader. I go lie. Oh shit.
Ooh, pushing up here, guys. Pushing up here. We're breaking. So the only level I was worrying about, guys, is this level right here. Look left. You have this level right here. This is the only part I was worrying about, right? But we're now breaking above. Oh, my line's off, but we're now breaking above. Hold on.
Crooked eye hairline, bro.
We're now breaking above. Hold on. Another attempt. We're now breaking above that level. So high chance we just clean traffic up to this target, and then from there move stops entry, make it a risk-free trade, and from there run it to TP. So there you guys have it. First attempt for a day, and I think you can move stops to entry. Yeah. I may have no top wick. I'm gonna move stops to entry here, guys. I think I'm set. I'm good to go here. Moving stops to entry, making it a risk-free trader for me from where I entered. Yeah, because we're tapping this resistance, right? This is a minor resistance. So if this is a minor resistance, you want to be safe about it. You want to move stops to entry, make it a risk-free trade. The thing about this is that if it hits our entry and it and this count closes above here within the next 30 minutes here, we just get taken our entry, so it's fine. But I think I'm safe on this trade here. 4 hour is breaking the highs. 4 hour has no traffic coming up to this target as well, right, guys? So
no traffic either, right?
once the only thing I'm worried about right now, the only thing I'm worried about is the next 30-minute candle, the next hourly candle making a lower wick. So I want this candle to really push up, like so, like push up like this maybe, and the next candle will probably just like make that low for price to drive up like this. Once we all we gotta do is survive that low. Once we flip back bullish, we're set to go. And then I can put the rocket ship on my chart. I'm not gonna put the rocket ship just yet, cause like I'm worried about that little pullback, the lower wick for the next candle.
The 15 minute, the next 15 pullback.
On the stop loss of VIP is wrong. Is it wrong, bro? Did I put it wrong? No, it's right.
But you should have like one of those.
It's right. 12 pips.
That like when you enter a trade, it tells.
It sends a signal.
Yeah, like you should do that.
For real?
Like it's a bot that you can set up.
I'm gonna look into it.
Trade, when you enter a trade, it enters the trade, put the same parameters that you.
For real? That'll
Yeah.
save me a shit ton of time. That will save me a shit ton of time.
But like the close half thing, that's like you gotta tell yourself. But you know when you enter and put a TP or a stop, it tells.
Because guys, if this candle right here, if it hits our entry, high chance it's gonna flip back. It might not be ready to go up yet, right? Meaning that we still have another candle that needs to close above for price to drive up. So once it kind of closes here in the next 15 minutes here, maybe you can kick another buy above here. You know, that'll be ideal. So I'm not really worried if it hits our entry or not here. But I think if the next 15-minute candle opens up bullish and it makes a lower wick, you can move your stops to that low, wherever that lower wick is. What are my spreads? My spreads are 0.8 pips right now, I think. Yeah, around there. 1 pip. Wait, hold on, I'm confused. Hold on, why is it like... Yeah, it's like 0.4. No, hold on. 1 now, 1.1. 1. 1.3, 1.2. Oh, I was reading the wrong one. Yeah, it's like 0.9, 0.12. I mean, 1.12, 0.9, around there. So like barely a pip, pretty much. Hey, we're breaking above here. We spent the whole pre-NY below the range here, and now we're actually breaking above, meaning that now we have a very high chance of just pushing up for the rest of the New York session. Daily is like technically still bearish, right? We didn't break the highs of the daytime from yet. This kind of the day right now is bullish, right? But yesterday kind of closed bearish. So weekly is still bullish though. So this could be the low for the weekly to drive up. Cause if not this week, then next week we're gonna probably tap these levels here. Cause we're breaking above into the range here. But we really need this week, guys, to close back in the range here. Once this week closes back in the range, we're probably gonna pop off next week to 141s. Next week will be a lot cleaner. Yeah. I just need this weekly candle to close bullish though. That's all that I want from GJ. Did you get taken out a break even? No, I didn't. It was like 2 pips away from my entry. He was always robbed me. I'm at 1.9, 2 pips spreads. Yeah, maybe make an ECN account. Why is my thing frozen?
If it has that.
Yeah, if your thing has an ECN account, I'll stick with that.
What does ECN stuff like? I forgot.
It's like super tight spreads.
Let me not ask. Let me Google it. ECN trading account.
Ooh, so close to entry for my spreads. 15-minute. Okay, 15-minute open up. If this is a low and we survive, if this candle flips bullish, I think we're safe. Because this is the low. Pressure and break that low for us to drive up for the next 15-minute candle, right? So I need this candle to flip bullish here. If it breaks this low here, if it comes down to below this, probably gonna hit entry, and then we're gonna wait for like maybe a 30-minute candle to close above. That'll be fine. But once this 15-minute candle hits flips bullish here, we're good to go. Let's TP. So we really need this candle to flip bullish before breaking the lows. If not, worst case scenario, hit entry. That's fine. GU played out nice. GU did play out nice. Oh yeah, it did play out nice. Yeah, never broke any lows. Yeah. So yes, to the GU trade, congratulations. Yeah, I think you guys are good to go till TP here. Nice.
Yeah,
Wait.
so still up 20 pips.
Yeah, it's clean. How many pips is that? 20 pips, right?
Mm.
Yeah, it's clean. Yeah, 20 pips. That's clean.
Might try out FCMO later on.
What? FTMO?
Yeah, might try it later on. Probably next month. Why not, you know?
I mean,
Experiencing new teams, man.
Donvo, you're awesome. Appreciate it, bro. Appreciate it.
But the only thing is just like that trade, not trade payoff, but the payout. Like, how the hell does that even work?
Clean traffic, secure 20 pips, and close 9% leave runner. Oh, go. Nice, bro. Nice. Yeah, this is your clean traffic right here. This candle right here is your bread and butter. Clean. Up here. Clean. Clean. TP. Clean. TP. He's not too greedy. You know, he has a very logical TP level. He understands where price could reject off of. He understands that this is a major rejection level right here. He sees traffic here. So he's putting his TP there. Clean. I can tell he's been watching the streams. Oh my days. We might have survived it, guys. Or not. We got 138 viewers more than yesterday. Hey, bro. I guarantee you, after I take one trade, they're all gonna leave. 100%. Hey, why not? You know, if you took one trade, end your day. People come for pips, it's fine. Yeah, I think I hit entry here, guys. So I'm gonna just trade at entry. I'm gonna wait for the 30-minute here to close in 12 minutes here. If you got breaking, we're just entering a price breaks that fits in high. No, so I got hit at break even too, right? So now what we can look at is, because you know why this candle could drive down to like these lows now? It's because once this candle opened up, it made a low, and then it came up to make a high. So if it's coming back down to break that low, that means it's technically breaking lows on like a 5-minute time frame probably, right? Let's see. Yeah, see 5-minute broke a low, so high chance you can come back down to these areas right here. But I think, yeah, buys above, if it's 30-minute here closes above here, we should be good to go. I'm gonna attempt a second entry if closes above. Let's see though. We have 10 minutes left, and I'm gonna be patient with it. You know why? Because this is my second trade now. My second trade, I'm a bit more patient. Oh, it sounds flipping bullish though, so if it goes up, it goes up here. I'm gonna wait for his 30-minute here.
What kind of trader are you, Donvo?
I am a hyper scalper.
Hyper scalper, no problem. Me too. I use the 1 second time frame. Look at this.
Dude, it missed my entry by a milli pip.
Oh, you had a buy limit?
No, like it missed my original entry. I had like,
Oh.
like barely, like a mini pip.
Oh, like a.
Oh,
like,
your entry. Yeah.
Like the last number in the 100, right?
Yeah.
Damn. It was like you eating the day.
Yeah, guys, look, this candle's not flipping bullish. We're gonna pop off here. Pop off. Get ready.
Get ready, bro.
Get ready for pop off. Get ready for a pop off. I'm not entering here. You guys could enter all you want, but I'm gonna wait for the 3-minute here to close above. This is my second entry. You know, some days you can see them, like, you can see the move, but you might not get the entry you want, right? So that's what can happen some days. I think what I could have done maybe is I could have just like maybe put my stops below the candle still. Just let it run. But you know, that's the best thing I could have done here in this scenario. I mean, I did move my stops already one time, right? So I mean, I think it was pretty fair how I moved my stops entry there. I think I played it pretty good. I'll do it again if I seen it. Or actually, no, I could have moved it to 3-minute lows, which is, oh no, my entry is right here. Yeah, nothing I could have done on this trade, honestly, to avoid this. Nothing at all. Sorry, I could have just left that original stop loss and move it to entry. That's fine though. It's fine though, because 3-minute here is when I close. See? Don't have FOMO, guys. Don't have FOMO. This is what can happen. I know that you guys got FOMO right now. Looking at GJ.
Hey, bro, you should try that thing where you take out the colors of the bars.
Oh hell no, man. Actually, I can just tell off the opening and closing, but like it's just like
Yeah.
it would be so annoying, confusing, bro.
Alright, we see this white candle right here, it's going down. We see this white candle going up. Looking at it closed whitish.
Oh my
Okay, now I hit
god. Yeah. Yeah, so we didn't close above yet, no buys yet. We're still in the game here, guys. I'm a lot more what was it? What was I gonna say? Oh yeah. This hourly candle here, looks like we're gonna leave a nice wick fill here. It's just that their stops on this next candle will be big. Cause the hourly low is it's like 12 pips, but it's not bad, but I would just much prefer this candle. Like, if this candle were like this, you know, like this would be much better. The lower wick is all the way down here, so I don't know if I like it. Yo, Loop, are you gonna hop on call later, bro? Leak?
Yeah, bro, I'm gonna hop on.
Alright, bet you better not flop.
Nah, not today. What time you trying to run?
Or after the stream or something.
I bet.
Yeah, today's pair, I think GU was much cleaner than GJ here. Much cleaner. I mean, it looked cleaner in general too. Just look at GPUSD compared to JPY. Much cleaner. Just simple, one candle like traffic, you know, simple. Oh wait, I forgot to update the time. What time did I take the first trade at, guys? That's the break-even trade. I think I took it at GBJPY break even. And what time was it? It was at
Can't remember. 7:15. Not 7:15, like
7:35.
ah,
19 minutes ago, the 136 past our time zone. Let me confirm it real quick. Timestamp was Hmm.
Pressure.
7:30. 7:35. I want the exact number. 7:35 a.m. Eastern. I don't gotta put Eastern, do I? Yeah, I'll put it. There. Took one trade today so far, right? And was patient with it. Moved stops to entry. Manage it to the T. Move stops up. Stay 4 pips and then hit entry after. So we're out of trade, right? And we saw price pushing back up later. Didn't enter. Wait for a 30-minute candle close. And we close here in the next 7 minutes here. So let's see what happens here. Okay, cool. 2 minutes left.
Walmart got me fucked up.
So yeah, that's what we're waiting for, guys. So that's why it's so important to be patient.
If it closes barely above the line, would that be a good entry? Because then stops would be really low.
Bearish above the line?
No, like barely above the line.
Like bearish, you mean, or bullish?
I mean barely above the line, not.
Oh,
like
barely above the line. If it closes barely above the line, I think it's more safe to just have buy stops above the 15-minute high here. That's bearish. Like, you know what I mean? Like, if a 30-minute here closes barely above the line, going to 15-minute, have like buy stops above there. Current stop loss below current candle, maybe. Let's see. I want to close like right here. This would be perfect. Right here, around these levels here. Because New York's supposed to open up. Oh, man. Yes, we have a minute left, guys. Be patient. What song should I use today in today's highlight video? Well, if there is one. Let's see. I think I'm gonna use Oh yeah, I know what to use. Okay, guys, 30 seconds here. 30 seconds here. 30 seconds here. If you close above here, stops would be about or count low 10 pips, not bad. Or if you wait for this, kind of deep. I think current count lows.
It's a pretty good closure.
It's a nice closure, yeah. Pretty nice 1 hour 30-minute closure here. Okay, nice. Once this candle flips bullish, I'm in. Once this candle flips bullish, I'm in. I'm in a trade. Once it flips bullish. Oh, close. Trick me. Oh, there it is. I'm in a trade, guys. I'm in it. Stops are below the 30-minute lows. TP is up here. Stops are, I think, 10 pips here. And TP is about 26 pips. Uh, 139, 172. 139.065. Clean. Yeah, so stop loss is only 10 pips here. And yeah, second attempt for a day. 26 pip TP. All in. The crew got to go up. Yeah, low wick to go up. Yes, EG is much more friendly. Yeah, cause you don't understand. Like every day we may do the same things, but every day has a different market conditions. It's not you're not gonna have the same market conditions every day. It's different every day. Like yesterday was much easier to trade GJ than today, obviously. With the early pushes yesterday during the pre-NY, you know, I mean it's not that it's impossible to trade. It's just there's just much more volume at the right times yesterday when the candle is closing than today. Because this morning a lot of people struggled with just waiting for just getting stuck in this range here, right? But now we actually broke above, so this is a very because if we spent the whole morning ranging, what do you guys think is gonna happen during New York Open? We're gonna push up. So I just want this candle to push up here, to create, you know, because it barely flip bullish, barely. Once it flips bullish, I'm probably gonna move my stops to like wherever the low is. So let's say the low is right here. I'm moving my stops to here. Once it flips bullish, the current candle lows. As of right now, it's down here, risking about 10 pips. So this candle has no top. We still has the bare top wick, right? So this candle right here is currently at this support looking left. This is a logical area price could reject off of, right? So high chance if you do reject off this level, we should continue up here. This is your support, look left. But my stop loss is down here, guys, because this is a previous 30-minute candle, right? If you break below this 30-minute candle, we're probably gonna pop all the way back down here, back down to like these levels down here. So you want to keep your stops to minimum as possible. What is this? 1-3 trade? 1-3 risk to reward? Not bad. Not bad. I just really want this candle flip bullish here. We'll be good to go. How does the 15 look? 15 looks bearish though. Okay, 30-minute, 1 hour is cleanest time frames here. Another thing is that, guys, we have like an hour left to this 4-hour candle closes here. And if this 4-hour candle closes back in the range here, oh man, we're pushing up. Pushing up. Where did Jimmy go? Why is everyone so quiet now? It's scaring me.
Here, bro.
Oh, there you go. You see the trade or not?
Yeah.
Watching trade.
Like everyone's so quiet. I'm like, yo, why is it so quiet here? It's just like, yo.
Waiting for a lift off.
Yeah, everyone's waiting for a lift off to get hyped. Everyone's quiet for during the drawdown. This is like a 3-foot drawdown. This is a very small drawdown though.
Whoa.
You're back?
Back.
Alright. Everyone's getting quiet here. I was getting scared. I was like, what's happening, guys?
My freaking dog, bro. This man dipped as soon as the front door opened, bro.
Your dog dipped?
Yeah, this man ran straight out the door. I had to chase him, bro. Fast ass shit, bro. This boy thick when we running.
Wait, so how far you chase him?
Like, couple of houses down. Snatch that little dude up, man.
Everybody in GG get drawdown in Whispers. They're in drawdown. Oh, is that a spider? Oh no, that's awesome. Holy shit, that's a spider on my desk, bro. I was gonna slap it out. Yeah, guys. I entered my original lot size in this trade. My original lot size. The first trade I entered a small lot because it was just a break of the highs, but now we actually closed the way I wanted to, the way I was planning to close the whole morning. So I entered an 8.0 lot size here. So we're only risking 10 pips though. So this is the biggest drawdown we're in the whole entire week, I think. I believe this is the biggest drawdown we've been in the whole entire week. Our buy trades are taken. 7 pips. Cause look left, guys. If you break these lows here, we're gonna pop down to like these levels, and then you say, okay, maybe buys are out the window. Maybe we're not ready for buys today. Maybe we're gonna come down to these levels and continue down to these levels. You know. But hey, until we break this low here, I'm expecting to push up. You enter after 7 green candles. Yes, I did, and did the exact same thing yesterday too. Entered after 16 green candles. It doesn't matter how many candles it's going up, how many candles going down. You can't call the next bullish or bearish candle. It doesn't make any sense. Look at this. Look at this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 candles coming down. It doesn't really affect anything, man. It's all structure. 7, 5, 4, 3. Bro, do you know that song? 200,000 babies, yeah. Hey, what?
Huh?
Bro, do you know that song? You had 200 babies. I don't know that song, bro. No, I'm too young for that.
I mean, I'm 1999, so I'll barely made it. Yeah.
I'm a 2000 baby. I'm the next generation here.
Next gen.
Next gen.
Next gen
Gold
console,
is.
yeah, boy.
You know something I noticed is that say it's the 4-hour candle's about to close.
Yeah.
The last 30 minutes
Of it makes
is
a wick.
a big move.
Oh, big move. Oh, okay. Yeah. Yeah.
The last 30 minutes of a 4-hour candle.
Because that's
is
like
a really
that.
big move.
Think about it, what time is that? That's 8:30, right? What happens at 8:30? The New York session opens up at 8. By 8:30, they grab their coffee. 8:30, they get to their desk. Boom, move the markets. But hey, hold on. I'm gonna make a quick call real quick. Hold on. Yo, market maker. You're scaring me a little bit, but I really need you to flip bullish here on this 1-hour candle here. Yeah, do it before like 8:15, you know, and then by like 8:15, just continue to move up. Yeah, just make me look good on stream. Alright. Thank you. Alright, yeah. So just spoke to the market makers here, and they said how we're gonna continue to push up here as if he decides to flip this kind of bullish here. You know, he's just having some like technical difficulties. You know, he's riding that bike right now. You guys know what I mean? You guys know when you're pumping up electricity, people ride that bike.
Hella clean today. What the hell?
GU?
Yeah,
GU was the cleanest pair today, bro. I'm not gonna lie. GU, how did GA look?
Bruh, it looked way cleaner.
Yeah, man. I don't think I would have entered. Actually, yeah, I don't know. I don't know if this entrance for me though. Like it looked clean in terms of like it was a nice move, but as far as entering, I don't know if it was clean. Market maker has risen. Market maker, come on, let's go market maker. Let's go, GJ. Push the markets up.
Drink your coffee. Drink your coffee.
Yeah, we're just playing, guys.
He's logging in. He's logging in. The credentials are getting put in.
Type in password, enter, boom. Okay. He's opening up his files here.
Open
Loading
his
up, loading up.
MC5.
Boom, let's go, GJ. Flip bullish.
Open up his MC5 account right now.
Move stops under current candle.
Yeah. Yeah. Once it flips bullish, yeah. Once it flips bullish, I'll move. We're saving like what? An extra like 1 pip here? Eh, it can wait a little bit.
I've been in this entry for like 3 hours, bro. I'm asleep.
You been in here for 3 hours?
No, I've been in this trade for 3 hours, bro.
Holy shit. God damn.
Yeah, since 5 o'clock this morning, bro. The worst data I had was at 15 minutes. I was finna get stopped out, but I put it like a little bit under. Bruh.
Oh damn. I think your kid wants to trade.
Oh, you hear that?
Yeah. I think he wants to trade, man.
Hold on, my bad.
That's
That's
all
fine,
good.
fine.
Shit, my bad, guys.
All jokes.
He's like, bye, GJ. Bye, GJ. That's Cardi voice.
Yeah.
BC withdrawal take 4 hours.
Whoa. Whoa, what type of BC jobs are you doing, my friend?
Is that long or that's long, right?
That's long as
That's
heck.
long. Yeah, I think that's long.
It's usually an hour or an hour and a half. 4 hours? Unless it was like a big withdrawal, then yeah, it could take that long. But it's like 1,000 or whatever.
Watch that video. Skip to everybody in the club get tipsy. Is that song talking about?
Everybody in the club get tipsy. I know that song.
I'm too young for this. When did it come out?
Teen drinking is
What the fuck is this?
Whoa. No.
Oh, that's a remix.
Oh. Alright, we're not watching that. We're not watching that.
I'm not watching it. I'm playing it. Who's it by? Jaquan? Yo, who's the song by?
I don't know. I don't know how the music video look. That's in the club. Turn it up. Yeah, that's it.
Yo, that's funny.
Yeah, that sound
I don't know the song, bro.
Yeah, J-Con. 10 years ago, bro.
What was that, under a rock or
That
something,
was
bro?
made in 2000s.
2009.
You don't know that song, Don?
Bro, no, I don't, bro. Oh, you talk now? You talk when you don't know the
No,
song?
I ain't gonna lie. That joint blast mad loud. And I heard that.
Wait, oh shit. Oh, that's Leak. I thought it was someone else. So it shows another name. Oh, that's your full name, Khalik?
Yeah.
Shit.
I don't know. I signed into my Gmail. I should have used the other one. I don't like my girls.
You don't like your
Girl
full
name.
name?
Nah, I like my phone name.
I think Khalik sounds sick, bro. GJ is struggling, fighting for freedom. You guys know that song? You guys gotta know that song. You guys know that song, right? You guys must know that song. What's the song called?
I think that if it breaks the next 15-minute high, bearish 15-minute, like the previous bearish 15-minute high, it
Yeah.
should be good.
Yeah. I'm hoping like that's what I'm expecting, but the 3-minute candle doesn't want to flip here. Guys, I think I'll move my stops up here, only risking 8.8 pips here. To the current candle, 30-minute candle here. If it kind of wants to go up, it shouldn't break that low, anyways. What's that song called?
Yo, I'm not even gonna lie, that song is fucking lit, right?
Oh, you listened to it?
Yeah, that song lit.
Bro, what's that
Brings
song?
back so much nostalgia, bro.
Trying to find it, man.
Bro.
The World Cup song. Yeah, the World Cup song. That's what it is. But who's it by though? Alicia Keys?
Kanon?
Fighting for freedom. Hold on. Bro. Yeah, the waving flag. Yeah. Kanon. Yeah. That song's a banger. What's that line that goes? This goes like.
Just like away the flag. So
Like a
And then it goes back. And then it goes
that's
back.
the song, bro. Right, I remember that.
That song is different.
bro, I met that guy.
You met him?
Yeah, he was just like getting pizza at the lakeshore.
For real?
Yeah,
Yo, he's probably
with
making
his
bear.
son.
He's probably making bear off this one song still.
Bro, yeah, still to this
Is
day.
he from
That
Toronto?
man dropped one song.
Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, he's Canadian. Some shit like that. African Canadian.
Us today. This is a definition of us today, guys. This is a definition of us today. This is us today. We're struggling to eat today, bro. We're struggling. GG is struggling today.
Bro, I almost hit that stop. Bro.
That song hits different, bro.
That song, eat it. I should eat it. Alright, news comes out in 40 years.
40 years.
Started in 12 minutes. Get ready.
Man, GG just doesn't want no volume today. It's fine though, guys. It's
I
fine.
think it was a pre-NY type of day for GJ, bro.
You mean am I open type of day? Oh, pre-NY? What happened during pre-NY? Oh, yeah, maybe.
Yeah,
That little move you had earlier. Yeah.
It's like one of those kind of days. That man dead ass dropped one song and did. This shit hot though. I always wondered, why did people want to wear oversized clothes back then?
Yeah, it's coming back though.
I don't know. Please don't.
Yeah, I'm looking at this. I think what I could have done better on this was maybe because when it flipped bullish, it barely flipped bullish. I should wait for it to push up a little further up to really confirm I was gonna flip bullish. You know what I mean? Like, cause that's what I usually do sometimes. Like, if it's bullish, but I wait for it to like go up a little bit more. Strong. It could barely. It went like a little millimeter. Like usually, like maybe like it came up to here, maybe like a 1 pip. But I think it's couldn't have avoided this entry to be honest. This is an entry I'll take any other day. Let's see though, it hasn't even stopped there, right? So technically, it's weird that these candles right here,
I
guys.
closed at like 6 pips.
These candles here have no top wick. Back to back. This candle could still flip here, yeah. Someone sent a chart, bro. Look at this. I got you, bro. How much you risk per trade? 1 to 2%. This trade I risked about 1.8%. Around there, I think. Because it was only 10 pips, right? It was only actually no, stops are only 8 pips. So yeah, it's like 1.8% or 1.5 around there for my 8.0 lot. Do the math. What do you guys want to do? Okay, hold on. Someone sent a chart, nice. Somebody sent a chart here. Would you say GJ is struggling to go up because of these rejection candles here? Yeah, that's your resistance, yeah. But like on a 30-minute candle here, we actually closed above it. So I was looking at it from here. Wait, what happened? Wait, what is this? I'm confused. This was look left. 15. Look left. Where was this? Oh. Yeah, Yeah, right here, right? Remember? Yeah. So yeah, we tapped a minor. Like I wasn't expecting this resistance to really struggle here. This is a very minor one, on the 30-minute 1 hour time frame. So because we closed above it, this is a stronger resistance than this resistance here, and we're struggling off of this minor resistance. So yeah, I'll say maybe that's why we jacked off the level, but um, my main focus here was the 1 hour time frame on GJ and the 30-minute. Yep. That's it. I think that's it, right? Yeah, that's it. Yeah, I think now we could wait for GJ is maybe like, wait for price to break above these levels here, like this. Like 15-minute flip bullish, did it? I don't know. Yeah, once GJ breaks above these levels, now you can take nice buys. Cause now you know that this is your strong resistance level. Now this is your, you have a strong confirmation that this might be your resistance. And once you break above here, start looking for buys coming up. But yeah, I think below here, if you're in the trade already, let it run until TP or stop loss. We're very close though. See, 1 hour low is all the way down here though. That's the thing. Could we hit stop loss today for the first time of the week today, guys? Could the streak end here? So now you can look at support to be formed to retest the high, right? Yeah, so this is your support here, pretty much, right? And if this support breaks here, we're probably gonna pop back down. So you need, like, for us to drive up, you're gonna need like maybe some support to be held. It could be here at these levels. It could be down here at these levels, right? It could be any of those two levels, or it could be down here. But yeah, I think it hit stops here. But once you actually form that support, we're gonna pop back up. Guys, I'm on the trade here. 8 pips loss on this trade. It was a 13 pip stop loss, moved it up to a 9 pip stop loss, and now it's 8 pip stop loss. So yeah, we reduced our losses today. It was a good day, I guess. Hold on, let me update it. Okay, trades taken. Took 2 trades today, the second trade of the day. GPG buys, -8. Negative 9 pips, I rounded up. What time was the trade taken at, guys? Do you guys know? It was taken at
7, because we got in as soon the 1 hour.
Was it flipped, right? Okay.
No, 8.
8. Hold on. Yeah. 8 a.m. Took the buys, you know, broke the lows of the 15-minute time frame, closed bearish here. So like once it closed, once this candle here closed bearish, this next candle right here came back down to fill the wick, and they broke the lows. So yeah, I'm on the trade, but the 1 hour on GJ technically didn't break the lows yet. Like look at the 1 hour time frame, didn't break the lows yet. The lows all the way down here, right? But since it broke the 15-minute lows, I was expecting it to come down to break the 1 hour low as well, right? Because that's usually what happens. If price is breaking structure on a smaller time frame, it will usually break the structure on a higher time frame. But yeah, this is our first loss on the live streams of the week. First loss, not even bad though. Thanks for the live, bro. Man, I have to off to work now. Take care. Have a nice mood. Have a good mod day. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow, bro. See you tomorrow on a Friday. What was I gonna do? Yeah.
News should come out. Let's see how it goes.
139, 166. Wait, how come it shows that?
So.
Oh, never mind. Never mind. I'm chilling. I'm chilling. We got news here, guys, in like 4 minutes here. So let's see what happens.
Yo, Don, you saw the COD new trailer?
Yeah.
Teaser trailer?
Yep. Looks fire.
Alright.
It looks fire. It's like real life events, no?
Yeah,
Yeah,
Cold
I saw
War.
it. The Cold War trailer.
Oh, that shit.
I hope they have another battle royale. COD.
I doubt it.
Are they just gonna keep Warzone?
I don't know. That's the
Let's
question.
have it, like,
That's my
Making up all
question.
this money, bruh.
I think
Making up
Warzone is
guns.
Activision's.
They need to make
Emo.
they need to make money though. So like I'm pretty sure.
Because
they-
like
Technical
now,
one, not the
because like
Blackout.
now it's separate from.
Yeah.
Like I swear it's like separate from Modern Warfare. It's like
It
Yeah,
is,
they're
yeah.
probably gonna make something like
Yeah.
how they did in Black Ops 3.
Like I want them to make it like Warzone, like Fortnite. How they just keep Warzone and just update the rest of the games, you know?
yeah.
Like, I think that's
Yeah,
I think
it's like
that's
Big
why Warzone has such a big file. It has like a 200 gigabyte file, bro. Maybe like it's for future references. I don't know. Future updates.
They probably gonna bring back Blackout because that was the
Yeah,
battle royale
Blackout.
for Blackout. For Black Ops.
They're probably gonna make a different version for a new one.
Blackout was trash though, no?
Nah, Black Ops.
Nah, it was fun. Ain't gonna lie. It was fun. Before Warzone came, that was the wave.
What call was that?
Black Ops 3.
Black Ops 4.
Oh, that
Oh,
was
yeah,
fine.
sure.
I keep saying 3, 4.
Control effects. Where'd you learn trading? So if you guys were on the stream yesterday, you guys probably know, but
Go hit on
start off with, oh man, I gotta do this again. Start off with Q Bank's course. No, Steve Morrow's course. Then joined some next signal guys, some local signal guy on the street, corner of the street, and then I joined. I didn't join. I got Q Bank's course for free, and then I didn't work for me. Other things didn't work for me. I started to find my own ways, and then a bunch of trial and error, and then now I'm here today. Shout out to Uncle Ted. Yeah. Yeah. That is my trading journey. If it flips bullish or you take another entry, no, I am not gonna take another entry today, guys. This is my last entry, and I know that when I say that, watch the views drop. I'm not taking another entry today. Watch the views drop. Watch them drop. Hey, 149. Oh, they're not dropping because I told them not to drop. See, it's a psychology. See, they're coming back now. That's some level 3 psychology right there. That's 200 IQ. Anyways, yeah. I'm not taking another entry today. Probably gonna call it a day for me, to be honest. 'Cause I took 2 trades. First trade break even. Even if the first trade is break even, guys, that's still one trade. It doesn't matter. If it hits break even, if it hits your entry, if you were up 500, if you're up 500% and hit your entry, it doesn't matter. It's still one trade. If you enter that button once, that's one trade. So if you look on your MT5 and you see 2 trades, that's 2 trades. No. I want to touch your mentor. No, not. I wouldn't say mentor. Like I never paid for like Mug Fluidity. I never paid for MX Fam. I never paid for any of those. I never joined any of those courses, whatever. Mentorships, whatever. I just talked to Ted a lot about psychology. A lot about psychology. And he helped me with psychology a lot. Bootleg copy, control FX. Hey. I know I actually got a login with someone. News around the corner. Yeah. News around the corner here in 4 minutes. I got a file of more than one throwback of all kinds of courses on e-commerce traders that I worked with from a friend. Nice, bro. You know, courses have resale value. I'm gonna make a stock X of Forex. I'm gonna sell courses. That's gonna be copyright. Yeah, guys, you know, the last, 15 minutes here, look what happened the last 15 minutes here. We're in this little wonky area. Look at that. So, if you take one attempt in this area, that's it. But now if you're taking a second attempt, ED should be done. Cause look at the range. Look at the range. Look how ugly this is compared to this morning. Pre NY opening. Let's see how the ending goes. But I think for us to actually go up here, we're gonna need like a bullish kind of closure. Like maybe like closing above these areas here. Cause like look, we've been respecting the lows. Look, respect. Bearish cannot respect low, respect low. I mean respect high, respect high. So once we break a certain high, we should be good to go up. But until then, yeah, like this we can just actually fall down here. So maybe these levels here. Right? So you really got
numbers came out. Numbers came out bad.
They did?
Yeah.
What did I say this morning? They're expecting bad numbers?
No, you said they were
good numbers?
Good numbers. Yeah, but they were hella bad numbers.
Let's see.
200k over. Damn.
Damn. Yeah, so expect the bad numbers there. No, that's good numbers. Oh no.
That's bad.
Yeah, that's good. This is more. Yeah, this is more bad numbers. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I got about the catching course on my hand drive. Damn, that might very some. I don't have problems with courses. I have problems with traders who create crap courses. Squeeze day. What does that mean? Gold buys above count close, but above 1953.70. You gold went up today. Damn. Yeah. I'll say, wait, if you're looking for gold buys, maybe wait for this 4-hour candle closer in 27 minutes here. You might as well, right? Because I think once price breaks above this high here, we should be good to go until 1977. Look left. Or if you want to be super safe, buys above here. Lane traffic above there till 1977. But overall, if he breaks this 4-hour high chance we're going to push further up here to the next target. Is that 1977. This is gold on the 4-hour time frame. Yeah. Bad numbers are unemployed. Yeah, we got bad numbers today. But it's like minor news, not that. On red folder. So it shouldn't affect the market much. Yeah, you gotta see how we broke the 50-minute lows, right? And now we're pushing down to break the 1-hour lows. Yeah, see how that works? That's why my stop loss was in the 1-hour low and it was the 50-minute lows, right? Because if we're breaking the 50-minute lows, high chance we're gonna break the 30-minute lows. High chance we're gonna break the 1-hour low. You know. So the smaller time frames lead you to the bigger time frames, and the bigger time frame leads you to the smaller time frames. Kind of confusing, but you'll get the hang of it eventually. See, 1-hour low about to break here, and once 1-hour low breaks, it doesn't get a waterfall down in GG here. So probably these levels down here, 138, you know, 768, you know, or like 138, 971 around these levels coming down. But yeah, there's no buys after you broke that 50-minute low. No more buys. So that's why we did what we did today, guys. I think we managed it pretty good today. We did a pretty good job of it today. We made our losses super short, super small, 8 pip stops, closed it, didn't wait for the 1-hour lows, moved it to the 50-minute highs, lows, broke the lows, got out. We pretty much avoided, like on this trade, maybe avoided. Let's see, where we get in at? We got in at this opening, got out around here. 8.8, coming down to here. We avoided like 5 pips today. Pretty much. We saved 5 pips today. 5 pips on this trade. This is pretty bad. Please help me, sir. How much is your course, sir? He can got a course. He's studying courses. Okay. Do you typically take multiple positions or one position 8 lots? Just one position, bro. I used to take multiple positions back in the day, but now I just stick to one. And I just close half and manage that one trade. It's just that it's much easier doing that than opening multiple positions. Help me, bro. You gotta help yourself, bro. You gotta help yourself. I can only do so much on the streams here. Yeah, dude, it's all on you. You have to be able to adapt. You gotta be able to be disciplined. You gotta be able to create a routine for yourself. You know, create good habits for yourself. That's all on you. I can guide you, but I can't help you. Type thing. That's the job of mentors, I'll say. They guide you, but they can't help you. You gotta help yourself. And if you're too lazy to help yourself, then you shouldn't be trading. Because then you may not have enough patience to be trading. I don't have a course. We have a discussion trading course. Some people don't like trading selling courses. I was giving my opinion. Yep. A lot of people are against it. A lot of people are with it. Hey, if a course provides value, it provides value. You can't really take it away from that, right? I see this similar in New York. Was that your first time in NYC? I'm from NYC NJ. Yes, I did. I did do a course in New York City. How did you know that? I'm actually gonna post a photo up later on, actually, during the day of the NY. Yeah, but yeah, a course in NY. It was sold out dates. First course, 1-for-1, sold out. It was a 30 people came to the course. It was a 4-hour course or something in NY City. It was in a nice building. But yeah, that was my first time in NY. No, that was like my third time in NY. I've been in NY before. Jimmy, you still in this?
I dipped.
Jimmy Nguyen, are you still in this?
Nah, I've been dipped for that shit, bro.
Jimmy Nguyen.
What? You call me, bro?
What's your last name?
I've been.
Yo, what if your last name is Nguyen? My mom's last name is Nguyen. But my last name is Vo.
Yeah.
And then what else you got? You got Tran?
Chan.
Yeah. Oh man.
You got goddamn Nikolai. Now that's all the ones I can think of. Lock Chan Lee.
Yeah.
Lock Chan Lee.
Yeah, that's all that is. Vo is rare, kinda.
Vo. Okay. Vo, Chan, Lee. Main thing.
Yeah, Vo is actually pretty rare. Pretty rare. I have a rare last name, guys. I'm one of a kind here. I looked at your YouTube channel. Oh yeah, the video's up there. Yeah, the video's up there. Come on, guys. Where are your charts at? Where are the charts at? Vu, Vo, Tran, etc. How do you know last names, bro? Are you happy? Vu, I forgot about Vu. Yeah, Vu's one of them.
Gold is busting people right now.
Gold said I need a bust down.
Nah, busting up.
Yeah, bust down. I need a bust down Rolly with a bust down Paddock with a bust down. What's that song? Astro. No, what's that one song? Kanye Travis. Watch. Uzi. Remember? The ending?
Yeah. Don't get up. Alright. DJ sells.
Yeah. I think GJ, I saw Little History and I used to hang with a lot of Vietnamese chick who was into what? Two brothers? Think GJ might create support on this level? Yeah, I don't know. This is a very weak support. I'm looking at like next mentor support levels will be down here, 138.850, or like maybe 138.780. But even if it forms support here, you'll know when it forms support, right? Because you're gonna wait for an actual closure, a bullish candle, right? Because that's what you're gonna wait for. And yeah, we'll push back up later. But yeah, well, no one support's gonna be held. It's not gonna be. The support is not gonna be created off of one wick like this, or rejection like that. Like this is not your support because the account did this. This is called gambling. That's not support. Your support is gonna be held once it closes bullish here. So if this is your support, right? You can draw a line across like so. You could expect something like this to close. Boom, and then you push back up to retest the highs. And then push up, boom, and then push up, boom. This is what you're gonna look for if this is your support. But until this forms, there's no bias to say, right? Am I right, sir? Let me show you guys my MT5 today. Manage my trades to the T. So, 2 attempts today on GJ. Manage to T. How was everyone's day today though? I know a lot of you guys trading GJ might have been struggling today. A lot of you guys didn't take trade. A lot of you guys overtraded today. How did you guys do today? Today was a testing day for a lot of you guys. Regards to managing your trades. I mean, regards to overtrading. If you didn't overtrade today, congratulations. Congrats. Especially on GJ. GJ was very tempting today. Keep your small. I just posted my results for today, guys, on my Instagram page, so you guys can check it out if you guys want to know. Because a lot of you guys are very curious. Don't know why. There we go. My day, 11 plus 1 trade. Clean. Clean. Negative 1%. Over like a dumbass. Yeah, bro. It's a pretty dumbass move right there. I took 2 trades today, guys. 2 trades. Yo, I'm getting a shit ton of DMs like this, guys. I appreciate all the love, bro. Honestly. I hope you guys are gaining knowledge out of the streams. These are my results for today. Because technically the day count is still bearish, right? Like even when we're in buys, the day count is technically still bearish. Why? Because it's one candle here. We didn't break the highs, right? This count it came up bullish, but technically it's still overall bearish. So this count, if this is the high for a day candle, we can just drop down here. Who knows, right? Weekly is still bullish though. That's the thing. Weekly is still bullish. This count is still bullish here. So until we break the weekly lows, I'm still kind of bullish on GJ. But it's just like it's kind of in this rough spot right here. This rough range on daytime is in this rough area. So I'll wait for stronger buys. Obviously would be above here. That's not gonna be today though. It's gonna be maybe next week. But you gotta be patient. Why can't I? There we go. So you guys know what I'm going to do today? I like that you are wins to be transferred and not post your wins on IG. That's what the gurus do. But yeah, bro, like I mean, hey, I take it live on stream anyway, so it doesn't even matter what I do, right? Everything I do is on the live stream. Everything I do, buys, sells, wins, losses, that's on the live stream, so I can't really hide. So it's all there. You see how consistent we are. Like, I think people don't show the losses. You know why the groups don't show the losses? Is because they don't want people to think that they're a loser, which is so stupid because trading Forex is about losing too. It's part of the game, right? So you're gonna take losses. If you're gonna take losses, I'm gonna think you're fake. And you're like a you know, you're a fake character. You're not real because you can't. There's no way in these markets you can't not lose a trade. Everyone loses trades here. Everyone, even the greatest traders, even Uncle Ted, you know, he loses trades. Everyone loses trades here. It's part of the game. Everyone's human. You can't not lose a trade. Like, there's no algo out there. There's no indicator. There's nothing that's like 100% every time. Or else everyone will be on it. It'll be that easy. But yeah, like a lot of mentors, they don't want to show you their losses because they want to keep selling courses, and they think that if they show you losses, that their course is not profitable. But that's not true at all, bro. That's not true at all. The best thing you can do when you take a loss is figure out what you could have done better to reduce that loss. That's what I usually ask myself. That's the first thing I ask. I ask myself, what could I have done better to reduce the loss? And if I already reduced the loss, I ask myself, what could I have done to avoid the loss? So today, I'll say that maybe I could have waited for this 30-minute candle here to flip a bit more bullish. You know, maybe like 2 pips ahead. Because this is what I usually do. On past streams, this is what I did. Right? But I could wait for that. I could have easily avoided this buy here if I waited for that. Because then I could have seen, okay, maybe later on, we never really flip back bullish. And it would have been another trade. But that's probably the best thing I could have done today in the streams. It's alright though. I could have easily just fixed that. And then after you figure out what you could have done better, you gotta adapt to it. And the next time that happens, you gotta show yourself that you could avoid this. Because this is one move that one day I took a loss. I told you that story many times, but I took a loss in, and ever since that day, what I did was I spent the entire day figuring out why I took the loss, what could I have done better, you know. And then as the weeks came by, every time that entry came up, I never took the trade ever again. So it saved me a lot of money, a lot of trades. NPC, GPGC chef going down. Yeah, I don't really look at that pair, bro, but sorry guys, yo, whoever's messaging me about VIP, guys, I apologize for the wait. I'm just like doing a lot of shit right now, and a lot of people are messaging me about it too. So yeah, just if you message me for VIP or anything, inquiries, just give it a moment. Be patient with me, bro. I think I'm going on a nice bike ride later. What am I looking at? Yeah, so yes, he had this forward candle right here. Remember how earlier we expected this forward candle right here to push and close above this range here? Looks like now we are closing below. Meaning that we could be rejecting off of this level, and we could be coming back down, right? So there's no buys. I don't think, since like the New York Open push, that was the last, like, I'll say time that we could have just pushed up at, but we failed to push up. So for the rest of the day, I don't know if there'll be any more buys for the rest of the day. For the rest of the day, the next forward candle closes at 1, right? So you're gonna need to wait for the 1 p.m. candle to close. See how we close there. But once that closes, the London is closed at that time, so there's no more trading at 1 anyway. So yeah, I think this is the last time you could have pushed up here for some to be really tradable. But now it's just non-tradable for buys. It's like, impossible. Not impossible, but it's just your chances are a lot lower than it were if it was to be pre-NY or NY Open. So now I was looking for buys. I'm looking for sells. Yeah, you can. We're approaching 138.768 as expected here. This is your target. Let me just put that as your target. And then once you break below here, you look for more sells. You know, coming down to the next support, which could be right here. That's your next target. 138.563. Because we have we know that we're gonna come down here. We know that this is clean traffic here. Look left, clean traffic, clean traffic. So we're gonna push down this target, but once you get to this target, it might struggle a little bit. Why? Because look left is traffic, right? So you gotta wait for a range or something to form, and then once you close below, take more sells coming down to the next support, and that'll be your ideal trade for a day. If you didn't overtrade, right? If you do overtrade, then that's a different story. You shouldn't be trading right now. But I appreciate everyone here that comes just for the value and the knowledge we give out here instead of the pips. Much more important. Ooh. Why is everyone so quiet now? That is a very nice explanation. Yeah, bro. No worries, I got you. Winning day or losing day, every day I got you guys. With my best, the best of my ability. It rejects that zone, hello though. What about that? What zone are you talking about, Addy? You can unmute your mic if you want, bro.
At 138.678, like it's rejecting.
Oh yeah.
1, 2, 3. Yeah. Like even London, that's a zone that like it barely broke.
Yeah.
So isn't that like a cause for worry a little bit too?
No, because this is like, you look left. This is your next range here. Like this is like kind of irrelevant to me. These rejections here. Cause like if it can closes below here, look what happened here. We're waiting for a closure below, right? And every time we came down to these levels, what happened on these candles? These candles all closed above this level. So if a candle actually closes below, high chance we're gonna push down further. You know what I mean? Cause look, we did reject, but sense. We closed above. Yeah.
Appreciate you.
Yeah. But hey, okay, I'm not looking for any sells or anything anyways, right? So this is like my ideal for a day. They met 3% for a day. That's very good, bro. 3% for a day is very good. Solid. Then wait, I came down about like 1.8% today, 2% today. Not bad. Yo, notice GJ pre-open had this last days of big volume during 5:30 a.m. to 6:30 a.m. Oh, before the stream here. I mean, just because it has that volume during that time every day, like couple days a week, doesn't mean it's gonna happen every day. Like throughout the year, what time do we have the most volume at? Pre-NY, right? 6:30 to 8. Because every day the market conditions are different. You can't base a market condition today off of tomorrow's market condition. Obviously, majority of the times it'll usually, if you're basing off a sample size, majority of the times it will move probably in market open. Market open makes the most sense for GJ to move or price to move, right? Because that's the opening of the session. So obviously, majority of the times that'll be the case. But in terms of like market conditions daily, it would depend. Like it would vary every day. It's not always gonna be the same. Like you're not gonna catch a 100 move today and catch a 100 move tomorrow on GJ type thing. But yeah. Yeah, because 5:30 to 6:30 is like ending of London. Well, like middle of London, mid-London. Yeah, London, nice move during London's. It's just that like I picked these 3 hours to stream from like 6:30 to 9. So like I'm not gonna look for trades outside of that range, that zone. Like it's like me punching in for work, clocking in at 6:30, and then clocking out at 9 or 9:30 or 10, like 10 max, right? But I'm clocking out that time. I'm not gonna like clock out and then clock back in later. Like who does that? You know, how rare do you take 2 shifts a day? I mean, you can have 2 jobs per day, but this is the same job. You're trading forex. Clock in, clock out, and that's it. You're not gonna clock out and then sit at the front of your store watching how your employees are doing. Like, oh, he just stacked apples here. I'm gonna stack apples with him too. It doesn't make any sense. You're like, he stacked apples. Okay, he can do whatever he wants to do at work. I'm done. I'm off work now though. I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna go home and eat my apple. You know. This is a nice time possibly to do Asian session as well. I've done it 1 time or twice before on the streams. That's it though. Yeah, I've done it twice. Asian session is alright. It's been good, but now it's just a bit more rain. It's just the past couple of days here, past couple of weeks, it's been a bit boring, a bit lame, a bit rangy and stuff. Cause look what happened yesterday during Asian session. Asian session yesterday just like range around these times here. The day before it tapped the target, but it was just still a range overall. Overall range. It was a late move down here, you know. But let's see. Jimmy says apparently as it gets colder, the market Asian session starts to be a bit more dead.
Yeah.
Is that right, Jimmy?
Shit. Like during the summer, that's where like most of the big moves happen, and then once it gets to colder seasons, it's like dead.
Yeah, we tapped the target here, guys, on GJ. So hope you guys enjoyed the streams. Leave a like if you guys enjoyed the streams. We have 140 viewers right now. A lot of them left after we took that trade. I don't know why, but attempted 2 trades today. First trade stops at entry. Second trade matches to T. If you guys can leave a like for all the knowledge we dropped today in the streams, that'll be appreciative. Appreciate all the love, bro. Subscribe if you haven't. But as I said, if you're looking for sells here on GJ, wait for this level to break here. 138.768. Wait for that level to break, and then you can take it down to these targets down here. That'll be your ideal trade. All right, guys. So be patient today. Don't force yourself, especially if you took a lot of trades this morning. Don't overtrade today. But other than that, guys, I think I'm gonna hop off here, guys. And I will catch you guys. Hold on, wait, is there news? 9 a.m. No news. Actually, I'm gonna wait for this 4-hour candle. Let's see how it opens up here. I want to see how it opens up here. Let's see. Or it closes here. We have like 15 seconds here. Look at this huge rejection level. This counts as once bullish, right? Now we have it kind of flipping back bearish. So high chance we just continue down for the rest of the day. We broke all the highs here, and now we're breaking down bearish. So if this count closes below the range here, high chance we continue down.
Hey Dom.
Yeah, bro. What up?
Yeah, man. I'm gonna call it a day.
Yeah, bro. How'd you do today?
Took 2 trades. Both of them break even today.
Oh, that's good. That's fine.
Yeah, so
Good
it's not too bad. Not too bad.
All right, man. Take it easy.
Take it easy.
All right, guys. I'm calling it a day here, guys. Right? Looking for sells. Wait for sells below there. Right? I'm not looking for any more sells. My day is done here. Took 2 trades. Check my Instagram page for the 2 trades that I took. I'll try to post a video today of how to of how I managed those losses and kept them short, right? But other than that, guys, all love, appreciate you guys, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow morning at 6 a.m. Eastern. Peace. Gang, gang. Let me just play the outro song real quick. There you go. Peace.
If it ain't BTO, fuck what you heard.